The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuji, which means union. Yoga is a mind-body exercise that combines physical movement, refined breathing, and mental peace. Let's find out more about the benefits of yoga, especially in the morning. Get rid of the fuzz. Dr. Gill Hedley explained well in his online speech that moving at the beginning of the day is important to make your body healthy. At night our muscles rest. Although they did not move, connective tissue and body fluid were created, known as fuzz. Our urge to stretch when we wake up is essentially an act to release the fuzzy buildup between our muscles. But if we don't move and stretch, this layer continues to thicken and build up, causing stiff, chronically tight muscles and general pain. Don't start being stressed. We know what it's like to jump out of bed, hit the snooze button multiple times, and run around in the morning. Our nervous system must know how it feels all too well. Give yourself an extra hour or half an hour in the morning. Getting up and exercising will start the day in a more relaxed state of the nervous system. Our cortisol, stress hormone, levels are already high in the morning to give us the boost we need to wake up. But if this cortisol level rises rapidly with increased stress, then we are in for an equally stressful day. Making a habit of practicing yoga every morning allows the body to get into the habit of turning off the sympathetic fight or flight stress response and instead finally tap into the healing benefits of the parasympathetic nervous system, improving the health of both body and mind. Me time. Especially if you're a parent or your job involves managing or caring for others, it can be hard to feel like you've had time for yourself. Extra time in the morning is a way to show yourself that you care not only about yourself but also about others. In order to release our energy into the world, we must first have enough energy. A morning yoga practice is a way to know you've done something for yourself that day, whether it was for 5 minutes or an hour. Meditate for mental clarity. A morning yoga practice doesn't have to be all about poses. Meditation is a yogic practice with limitless benefits, and starting your day with just a few minutes can have significant effects in a short amount of time. By being aware of our thoughts and observing them, rather than dwelling on them at the beginning of the day, we can better decide if those thoughts are necessary. From that, we can make the most of them for the rest of the day. The habit of observing thoughts instead of drowning in them is one of the most beneficial habits we can develop, and it immediately determines our actions. A calm and grounded person makes different decisions daily than a stressed and anxious person. Positive points. If you are new to meditation and your mind is a little too scary to observe at the moment, the practice of saying affirmations silently or out loud can be very powerful and healing. The word affirmation is defined as emotional support and also the act of affirming and stabilizing something. By reciting phrases like I am calm, I am peaceful, I am strong, and I am powerful at the beginning of the day, we can give ourselves an immediate sense of stability because words and thoughts like this instantly impact the body and mind. Our thoughts and words create chemical reactions in the body. Happy thoughts prompt the body to produce happy chemicals, while negative thoughts prompt the body to believe it needs to produce negative chemicals. Learn to count statements, and your brain will literally rewire itself. Boost digestive fire. Our overall health depends on the health of our digestive system. We can drink all our favorite green smoothies and eat organically, but if the body doesn't absorb, assimilate and use the nutrients properly, it's a bit like throwing food in the trash. Doing yoga in the morning speeds up the body's metabolism. Digestive fire, also known as heartburn, is a common problem. When the circulation in the system increases and the internal organs are gently massaged with yoga poses, the digestive system more efficiently removes toxins. It properly metabolizes the vitamins and minerals in the food. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Boost brain power. Focusing early in the morning may not be something we're all used to, but it can be very beneficial for increasing our productivity and alertness for the rest of the day. If you're having trouble concentrating at work or school, spend some time practicing breath awareness and some challenging yoga poses, and your mind will clear in no time. The inner world creates the outer world. Buddha is famous for saying that our experience of the world around us is created only by our thoughts. You may notice that the moment you walk out of a yoga class, the world seems to magically change. People on the street seem friendlier, your family is easier to get along with, you're making healthier lifestyle choices, and even your boss is nice. Here's a tip: it's not the world that changes, but your mind. Creating a positive environment within yourself to start your day will also make your external environment more positive. Get a move on. If you spend most of the day sitting at your desk or in your car, morning yoga is just the medicine your body has been looking for. Poses like backbends are effective at undoing all the slouching and hunching we often unconsciously do during the day and can help open up the muscles around the hips, a common area of tension from sitting for long periods of time. With a morning workout, we also remind ourselves what it feels like to stand with a healthy posture, so you start to notice when you're bending over more often and prevent back pain before it happens. Start now. There are no prerequisites for practicing yoga. You don't have to be flexible, strong, skinny, vegan, or any of the other stereotypes associated with yogis. You have to be yourself and let the practice do the rest. Practicing yoga is not the ability to master impressive poses or the ability to meditate for hours. It's about finding out who you are underneath the bad habits, chattering minds, and aching bodies you've accumulated over time. It's about being true to yourself. As the saying goes, start from where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.